Do you ever wonder what it would be like to go through life without big old ass blisters? Experts say that 1 out of every 16.7 people are affected with big ol' ass blisters. My big ol' ass blisters are so bad I can't even sit down to play poker. I fall. I'm sorry, my what? But that's where Barfutamed comes in. Barfutamed is a once-a-day chewable, drinkable tablet that is FBI certified and is guaranteed to help you live life without big ol' ass blisters. Listen to some people talk about how they've overcome life through Barfutamed.
Honestly, I just couldn't stop crying. I was so damn happy.
Barfutamed didn't just change my ass, it changed my life.
Some side effects may include drowsiness, diarrhea, constipation, lack of facial features, muscular atrophy, and boring dinner table conversations. You were watching something. Just, I don't have anything else to say about Barfutamed. It's barely even legal. I don't know what they put in this shit. Press the button.
Consult with your doctor before you start taking, stop taking, or even think about taking Barfutamed. If you are nursing, pregnant, or planning to become pregnant, give us a call and let us know. Thanks.